Here we come, guys, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you if it's the first time of you here. So as every day, we started here by Bitcoin in daily. Then I show you the trades I got open, crypto fair and grid index, liquidity heatmap, coming news for today because today's very important day. Bitcoin dominance in 4 hours, the SP500 in 4 hours, the VEX, Bitcoin in 4 hours, the Ethereum in 4 hours, the Sol in 4 hours, the XRP in 4 hours, and the last one, the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. So make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of it. So let's start the lesson of today. By the way, guys, before we continue, if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. And of course, if you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at that one, see member option as you sit in front of you. It's going to open for you 3 tiers. We got the first one position. That one is only for spot, guys. You can use a little bit of leverage like X1, X2, till X5, not more than that. So if you are interested about that one is it for long term, guys, you can join that one. If you want all our cryptocurrency services, we got VIP member. And if you want everything, even the stock market, choose Elite. So you choose what you want. Read the description of each and every tier. When you decide which one to join, click a join, finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here or in the free Telegram or free Discord. All of them, the link of them is down in the description of that video, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. Now let me show you the trades I got open for today. Trades I got open for today, guys. As you see it in front of you, I got a long in Bitcoin, I got a long in the Ethereum, I got a long in the XRP, and a long in the Doge, as you see them, guys, here. Plus, we gave some day trading, or we enter some day trading trades. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. We enter a short here, as you see it here. We enter that short here in Bitcoin as day trading. What happened here? As you see it, it's hitting for us the first take profit here. Then what we do? We enter a long here, as you see it here, that the long, guys. And what happened? Same thing, it's hitting for us the first take profit. So even you can benefit from that, my friend, if you are interested, of course. As I told you, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. So you choose what you want, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now it's going back to analyze the Bitcoin in daily. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin here in daily, as also we told you before here. Let me zoom it a little bit for pictures getting more clear to you here and for you to understand what else we're talking about. The Bitcoin here, breaking here, the downtrend here, as you see it, guys, and it go back to test it here. Now, what is it, the view? We are waiting the Bitcoin to pump again to give us a new high. We got, guys, here a down channel here, as you see it. That one here is a down channel, guys. It's like that. We make the top one of it based on the lower one. So maybe Bitcoin going to come back to test the top here. Exactly here, 118 till 117k, and also we're ready for everything. Bitcoin now, he tried to give us here like a double bottom here, or head and shoulder here. I'm going to show it to you when we reach into 4 hours. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. Another thing, guys, which is very important, you remember it, even though I want to show it to you before, is it that one here. I told you, guys, we got here that up channel like that the up channel. You see it here, and I told you maybe Bitcoin going to come back to test the top of it here, and I'll show you how to catch it by the breaking of the downtrend here. And the downtrend is getting broke, guys, so we are going to see Bitcoin coming back maybe to 127k or something. It's left for the bull run a few months, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see crypto fair and grid index, liquidity heatmap. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, that the crypto fair and grid index, as you see, it's staying here, 48, that means neutral here, that the 4th day we are neutral here. Let's see the coming hours or coming days, what they are going to tell us. At this time, we don't got volume, guys. People, they just came out from holiday, so let's wait and see the direction we're going to catch. Now, let's see liquidity heatmap. Here we are, guys, based on liquidity heatmap, as you see, that's what market doing those days, pump above, pump down. That's what I told you yesterday. Now, we left some stop losses above here, above those moving averages. We're going to show it to you exactly here above 112k. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to liquidate them or not. So as we are ready, also we're catching a short from here till down here, we catch a long from here till above here. That's what us we're doing, guys, and that's why us we're telling you every time to join us. Now we got something else here, guys, which is very important. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here In the weekly, we got in the liquidity heatmap, we got a lot of stop losses above here. So what is the view? The Bitcoin going to come back exactly to that zone here, guys. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Either we're going to pump more, or from here, we're going to fall down to liquidate those stop losses. They are down there, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the coming news of today. Here we are, guys, that the coming news of today, me don't wanna refuse to put it, but because of today there is very important news that we also bring it again. Today we got average hourly earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. Everything is going to come at 12:30, guys, so you need to be careful which direction that time is going to take exactly for day traders, guys. Day traders, you need to be careful that time. Not the only things I can say. Now is going to see Bitcoin dominance, guys. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin dominance, it done something very important today. It's breaking for us that downtrend here. As you see it, guys, the downtrend here is getting broke. So let's see if the Bitcoin dominance is going to pump again or no. Because it's very important, guys, for us to know where is that Bitcoin dominance going to go. Because as we show you before, we told you we got here. Now, a head and shoulder, guys, you see it here, or a triple bottom, name it whatever you want, guys. That the triple bottom here, and that one, if it's getting broke, we're going to see that Bitcoin dominance pumping again like that. We used to have here the downtrend like that. Look at it, guys. You see the downtrend here. The downtrend is getting broke here, so it's telling us maybe Bitcoin dominance going to pump, but we need to focus about that high here. You see that high here? You need to focus about it. For short, you need to focus about that one here. So is it a pennant, guys? You see it, that pennant here, and that one, if is getting broke down here, we're going to see that USDT or Bitcoin dominance going to dump more than that. So also we're ready for everything. Now we're going to see the SP 500 we're doing today. Here we are, guys. The SP 500 giving us a new all-time high here. That means it's still pumping. You remember, as we told you, we buy from here. And even for the SP 500, guys, we give long-term investment signals. If you are interested, of course, we buy from that low here. Exactly. Look where we are now. What shall we do now? Because that's very important, guys. We got here that up channel like that. We need to wait it when it's going to be touched here. What the SP 500 going to do? Because if you're looking at it like that, guys, you see it or no? Is it a wage here? And when we touch it here, maybe from here, we're going to fall down to test the lower of that wage here. And also we're going to buy again because the SP 500 is it for long term, and also we don't care about short term. Why also we bring it here? The SP 500 giving us new all-time high. That means even the Bitcoin going to follow it, guys. We got something else here. Let me show it to you. Is it here? Our friend the VIX. The VIX, guys, 15.30. We touch the 20 here. That's mean it's left for it more room to fall down. So let's wait till it touch 12. That's the right time for us to take profit. At this time, it's not yet. We need to wait till the right time. That's the only things I can say. Now, let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. The Bitcoin here, it dumped from here till down here. Why? We show it to you, but you guys, you don't like to watch our videos. That's the problem of you. Majority of you, they want very quick information. Look at it, guys. It's doing the same thing like how we told you when you used to be here. We told it's going to fall down to test it, then after going to pump like that. And that's what's happened exactly, guys. Look at it here. If you look with me here, it's doing exactly like how we told you. It's doing exactly like how we told you, guys. It's going to do it, and that's what happened exactly here. You see it or no? Look here, that's what the Bitcoin going to do, guys. Another very important thing here is it that one here, that head and shoulder here. We need to focus about it, guys. That one here, look at it with me. That one here, guys. Look with me here. You see here that the first shoulder, that the head, and now he tried to give you here the second shoulder, guys, and that one is a very bullish sign. If we break in the neckline here, that means the Bitcoin going to pump, guys. That number one scenario, that's for long. For short, what we got? For short, we got those ones here. You see it, guys? That one here, you can come and connect it like that and wait in the Bitcoin to break here for you to catch a short. But the only things I got here, we got something else here. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. The Bitcoin touched the 100 moving average. Now it's going back to test it again. The 20 moving average, he break above the 50. Now we are going to test that 100 moving average again. And we're going to come back to 114K, guys. Remember that. You're going to see it in the coming hours. We are going back to 114K, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you said, he tried to enter again to a zone where the bears the control, but there is no power to keep it there. Plus something very important, guys. What is it? Is it here the divergence downtrend? You remember it when it's getting broke like that. If fall down, he tested again. And now what is it? The view is going to pump like that above, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum because that one is very, very unique situation. So let's go into see it together. Here we are, guys, in the Ethereum, look at it, it fell down, he tested here the 200 moving average, people there with us, the interest short from here till down here, they're milking that Ethereum. Now what is it, the view? The view now, the Ethereum going back to test here the 100 moving average, guys. Why? We're going to see it, why. If you're looking with us here, that here the Ethereum is it sideways, guys. Also we show you all those things here a lot here. Now it's going back to test that one here. Then from here we're going to see if it's going to pump. Yes, if it's not, we're going to catch a short. Another thing you can make is it that one here, that wage here, guys, and that wage is at a peanut here. You see it or no? So you try to catch which direction that Ethereum going to go. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here in a zone where is the bears they controlling. That's when technically also we are in a downtrend. But let's wait and see that Ethereum if is going to come to break here. If we break in there, guys, you need to catch a short. If you don't know what else we're talking about, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Not only Bitcoin those days, other cryptocurrencies, guys, but only for swing trading. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are, guys. The Sol fell down here to test for us that 100 moving average. Now let's see if it's going to pump from here. That's possible. Second scenario to break that 100 moving average and to fall down till 189. Or which direction also we're going to catch, guys, because that one is very important. We need ticket of those moving averages like that. And we need to make that uptrend like that, guys. You see that uptrend here? Look at it. It's going to be touched here. So you need to be careful what's going to happen here because it might from here we're going to come back above. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? To break that uptrend here in the Sol, and we're going to see that Sol dumping, guys. So you need to be careful here exactly from the Sol. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. As you see it, guys, our indicator is it here in that zone where there is no one controlling there. Also we show you here before that bearish divergence here, we show it to you before, and look at it, guys. But we need that indicator of us to enter to a zone where is the bears controlling. That's the only things I can tell you. Now it's going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today. Here we are, guys, in the XRP or Ripple, also we got a long in it and we're aiming for it to pump again. Why? That's what I'm going to show you, guys. We need ticket of those moving averages here and to show you why also we're thinking of the XRP going to pump, guys. Look with me here. You see that head and shoulder here or no? You see it now? That's a head and shoulder, guys. That one here is a bullish head and shoulder here. Yes, it's not completed, but if XRP came and break in here, we're going to see that XRP pumping, guys, and go back exactly to that zone here, $3 or 305. So let's wait and see what's going to happen here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it in a zone where the bears the controlling. So let's see if it's going to pump again or no. But there is no volatility in the XRP, and also we are waiting till volume enter again. But even like that, guys, no volatility, no nothing, and also we're milking that cow. Even you can join us if you want to milk with us, my friend. Now we're going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. And yesterday we show you here that uptrend like that is getting broke here. We catch a short tail down here, guys. Then what we do, we came like that. We draw here that downtrend is getting broke here. We catch that long tail above here. Now what we doing, we still waiting if that smaller head and shoulder here is going to play, guys. Because that one here is a smaller head and shoulder here. If it's getting broke here, that's meant that Bitcoin going to pump again. Plus another thing, guys, you can make it like that. You see it, what you got here, a down channel, guys. The down channel here, it touches the top of it here. So it might don't want to touch it here. Then after that, to dump like that, it may change that color. It might to touch it here. Then from here to dump like that, and it's going to give you here like a double top or a M, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here. Before we see our indicator, guys, we need to show you what we got here. You will see with me here, if you came here to that low here, and you connecting that one here with that one here, and you came to those ones like that, guys. You see here what you got or no? You got an up channel here, and that up channel, it might that Bitcoin to pump again to touch the top of it, which is exactly at 114k, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, enter here to a zone where the bulls they control. Now let's see if it's going to come back again more higher or not. So we're ready for everything, and that's why, guys, we're telling you, if you want to milk that market, no matter what is the situation, up, down, whatever, where it's going to go, also we're milking it. Even you can milk it with us, my friend. That, of course, if you are interested. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.